Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon and do like, comment and share. So you guys must be knowing that recently the hot pink sale at Nykaa was on between July 23rd to 28th I guess, and this is basically your Nykaa haul video, and I have purchased a lot of products from this hot pink sale. So I will be showing you each and every product, and yeah, let's get started to the video. And yes, I just want to know that if you guys want to see Nykaa haul or any other hauls, do tell me like in my comment section only. And if you want to see new vlogs or something else, do tell me in my comment section. So without doing any further ado, let's get started to the video. I am really super excited to open the boxes, and yeah, hope that I will be getting what I wanted to buy. So let's open the first box and see what's inside. Actually, I made a delay on making this video as because I was waiting for each and every to come, and I really wanted to make a huge haul video, so that is the reason. And let's open the first box and see what's inside. So the first box consists of two sheet masks which are from the Face Shop, and I really love Face Shop products. I am a big fan of Korean beauty in my skincare. So these are the two sheet masks, and one is of lemon and another is of honey, which is very good for skin. So yeah, you can try this. So let's open the second box. And the first product I got is this Nykaa Natural Tea Tree Essential Oil. As you guys know, tea tree is the most important essential oil that every girl should have, and it is the best essential oil I went through in my life. They are very good for your skin, your hair and everything. So this will cost you around 350 or something like that only. It is very nice, and I really wanted, before I had used Body Shop tea tree essential oil, and I really wanted to use Nykaa tea tree oil. And let's see, I will be using this one for the first time. Like, I have used tea tree oil, but Nykaa tea tree oil is my first purchase. So let's see how it will work for me. So yeah. So the next things I got is this two brow pencil which is from Swiss Beauty. I really love Swiss Beauty products as because they are very affordable and very good. And these are like, one is in the shade light brown and another is in the shade dark brown. So I really love this Swiss Beauty products, and I will be showing you the swatch of it. It is highly pigmented, and you can have a try on this if you want a suitable and affordable product. So you can have a try on this Swiss Beauty products. They are very good. And the next thing I got is this Lakme 925 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. I was really in I really wanted this foundation in my vanity, as I had seen many influencers, makeup artists, they used to use this for minimal makeup, and this will give you a very good coverage, and it is very light weighted, and I really wanted to try this one, so I got this one. I will let you know after using this how it worked, and it will cost you around 475 or something like that. I got these products on discount, so you can also you can wait for any sale or like that only. They will be having Nykaa always used to have like minimal discount, so you can go and have these products. So the next product I got is this makeup sponge from Bronson Professional. So after seeing this Bronson Professional sponge, I really wanted to buy them because the reviews were very good, and I really don't know before I used pack blender and many more, but I really wanted to use this one as just because of the reviews. So let's see, and I really hope that I will be getting good results though. And the next product is from Insight Cosmetics, which is the Pro Concealer Palette, which is the corrector, and it is very affordable. It will cost you around 190 rupees, and it is highly pigmented and it will give you a very good coverage. It is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 colors in it, and you are going to get an orange and green color corrector. You are going to get a brown and light shade. You can use this for contouring, and you will be getting a concealer, light color concealer also. So this one is very nice. You can go for this and it will give you a very good coverage. I just can give you a guarantee on this product. It is very good and very affordable at a very good price. So the next product I got is this moisturizing makeup foundation, which is the Touch and Glow foundation, which is from Revlon. And I really wanted to tell this that I was just searching for foundation, and I just got this one, and after seeing the reviews I really wanted to buy this, but the thing I did is this is not my shade. मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं है मैं क्या करूँगी. मुझे इसमें कुछ डार्कर शेड फाउंडेशन मिक्स करना पड़ेगा टू गेट अ परफेक्ट शेड फॉर मी. सो लेट्स सी, आई एम होपिंग फॉर बेस्ट फॉर दैट ओनली, दैट कुछ भी करके इसको मेरे शेड में लाना है. सो या, so you can also go for this one, but choose a perfect shade. So the next product I got is again from Swiss Beauty, which is the jelly eyeshadow, and I really wanted to get my hands on this one because I love shimmery eyeshadows a lot, and I really love jelly eyeshadows. So this is in the shade, this is a grey shade type, so you will get this at a price of 199, so which is again a very affordable one, so you can go for this one. So the next product I got is from Swiss Beauty, which is the Shimmer Dust Powder Roll On, and this one I got for free. Offer में था to buy around 1500 or 799 from Swiss Beauty, you are going to get this one. So this one I got it for free only. So I must say, I really love this one. You can see I am just showing you the swatch, and you can see how much pigmented it is. I can use it as a highlighter, I can use it as an eyeshadow, I can use this one in many ways. So thank you so much Nykaa for gifting me this. So you can also buy this one. It is also available at Nykaa, so you can also buy this one. It is very affordable. So the next product is from Rene, which is the makeup removing balm, and I really wanted to have a makeup removing balm, so I just got my hands on this, and you can see this is having a full size product. So this one is very good, and the packaging is also good, so you can get your hands on this one, and it is very affordable too. You can get this at a price of 290 or something like that. So let me use this, and I will be giving you the review very soon. And yes, if you guys, I really don't do single product review on YouTube. If you guys want to know each and every product reviews what I used to purchase, then do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Archie's Beauty Brushes, so I will be mentioning my Instagram handle somewhere in the description box. Go and do follow me on Instagram so that you will be knowing some reviews of each and every product what I used to purchase. So go and do follow. So the next purchase is from Maybelline, which is the Master Strobing Cream, and I really wanted to have a strobing cream, so I just got this one. So this is very pigmented and the reviews were very good though. Let me use this one. So I'm in the shade Pink 02. So you can also go, and they were having 2 to 3 shades. So you can choose as per your skin color type or as per your need. So my second box is over. Let's move towards the third box and see what's inside. I really don't understand that I ordered so many things but वो पिंक वाले बॉक्स में नहीं आया, ये ब्राउन वाले बॉक्सेस ही आ गए. So that is very disappointing, you know ना. You used to, I really love those pink boxes. So नहीं आया नहीं. So the next one is from Seri, which is the Fix and Click Foundation Stick, and this is the first product which I'm using from Seri. So let's see how it works. And this will cost you around $599, and I'm in the shade F2 Natural. So this is a stick foundation. I really love stick foundation. They're very handy. You can have a try on this one. Then I got this Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse, which is my third or fourth one. Yeah, third purchase. So ये मैं तो हर रोज़ like I use it in my daily basis. I really love this one. वो यूज़ करने के बाद जो होता है ना, if you use some foundation, you feel heavy on skin, but ये नहीं होता है. It will give you a very smooth finish. So you can have this one and try. ये दिखने में भी बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. ये ऐसे ही जो है बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने के लिए. So you can have and try out this. Then I got this Vola Mena Dark Spot Corrector White Plus Facial Serum, which will help you for skin lightening, and it is best for dark spots, and it will correct your skin color. So I really wanted to use this serum as मैं बहुत इसका रिव्यूज़ पढ़ी हूँ, like बहुत अच्छा रिव्यूज़ आया है. So I really wanted to use this. So let me use this and I will let you know. And it will cost you around $499. So it is very affordable, and it is having a quite big size, जो कि 2-3 महीने तो चला जाएगा I guess. So you can have a try on this one. So the next product is the Aroma Tweezers Aloe Vera Gel, and ये मैं बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. Aloe Vera Gel is must for your skin care. So ये Aloe Vera Gel मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है like skin पे. So you guys can have a try on this. The next product is from Kama Ayurveda, which is the Nalpamaradi Thailam. You must have seen like many videos where I used to use Nalpamaradi Thailam, which will help you for skin brightening and skin lightening, dark spot correcting, many things. So this one is very good. I used to use this regularly, and I'm in fond of this one. So this will be my third or fourth bottle. So you can have a try on this. So it will cost you around 475 rupees, and it is a 50 milliliter bottle. So you can have a try on this one. So the next one is from Minimalist, which is the AHA 25% and PHA 5% and BHA 2%. I really wanted to use Minimalist products, and this time I got many Minimalist products. So this is very nice. Like I haven't used this yet, but according to the reviews, I'm just letting you know that this one is very good and very affordable, and it will cost you around $699. And do not use this more than twice a week. So let me use this one. I will let you know later how it worked for me. And the next one is again from Minimalist, which is the PHA 3% and Biotic Toner. So this one is a toner which is very mild. So it will cost you around $399. So this will help you for pore tightening and skin rebalancing. So yeah, you can have this one, and it is very affordable toner. Like for $399, 150 ml of toner you are getting. So what more? So you can go for this one for sure. So the next one I'm having is again from Minimalist, which is the niacinamide 10% and zinc. So this is very important for acne prone skin type, and it will cost you around 599. I really wanted to buy this one since so long, and thank God that Nykaa Hot Pink sale was live and I got this. Then I'm having this minimalistic Cepicum 3% plus oat moisturizer, which helps in skin lightening, and it is a very light and smooth moisturizer, so it will make your skin very much hydrated, and it will cost you around 349 rupees. So this one is also good, so you can have a try. So the next one is again from Minimalist, which is the salicylic acid 2%, which will help you to remove the excess oil, blackheads and many more. Salicylic acid is much more needed to acne prone skin, and this will cost you around 549 or something like that only. So this one is also good. So I'm very much excited to use Minimalist products. So I will let you know after using these products very soon. So just wait for my review videos. So let's open this next box. And the first product what I got is from Swiss Beauty, which is the Real Makeup Base, which is the highlighting primer, and it will help you in brightening your skin color, modifying your pores, moisturizing and many more. I'm in the shade Natural Tint 01, and this will cost you around 349 rupees, which is very nice. So you can have a try on this one. So the next product is, I'm really feeling excited. क्या क्या निकल रहा है? Okay, the next product is from LA18, which is the Lasting Glow Foundation, and I don't know, शायद कोई friend she just recommended this foundation before very long, and I really wanted to give it a try, so I got this one. This is very cheap, like it will cost you around 100 rupees or something like that only. So देखते हैं for daily use, देखते हैं क्या होता है. It is very good or very bad, I really don't know. I just got it. So let me see, and I will be giving the review on Instagram only. So let's see. So the next product is from Venus, which is the razors. So ये ऑफर में था, so I just got this, and you are going to buy 4 and get 1 free. ये सब मतलब हर दिन चलता है ये ऑफर, बट पता नहीं तभी कुछ ऑफर में होगा, that's why I got this, and it will cost you around 280 or something like that. So ये मैं फिलहाल अभी I just got this to try it for the first time. Otherwise Gillette का जो आता है ना, और एक तो एलोवेरा जेल वाला, I use that one, but ये मेरा I will be using this one for the first time. So let's see how it will work. So the next product is from, कितना खुश लग रही हूँ मैं. आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड, यू डोंट नो. मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है एक के बाद खोलने में. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी, विच इज़ द कवर स्टूडियो कंसीलर पैलेट, एंड दिस इज़ द पैलेट, एंड मैं बहुत सुनी हूँ इस पैलेट के बारे में. सो लेट्स यूज़ दिस वन, एंड इट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 449, which is very affordable, and you are going to get a orange color corrector in this also, so which is very nice. And इसका 2 या 3 shades अलग palette shades भी है, you can choose what as per your need only. And the next one is the Nykaa Spot Patch, which is a new product though. Spot Patch I'd used other brand, but I haven't used Nykaa Spot Patch. So it consists of tea tree and salicylic acid in it, so you can have a try on this. And this one is rupees, it will cost you around 100 rupees only, so you can have a try. So let's open the next box. So the first product I got is the Brute deodorant, which is my all-time favorite. I really don't know why, but I really love this deodorant a lot. So this was on offer, I guess, to buy two for 499 or something like that only. So this one is very nice, especially this green color one. So you can have a try on this. So the next product is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackheads Eliminating Daily Scrub, and I am very much fond of scrubs and exfoliating products especially, and this is very affordable. It will cost you 170 only, so you can go for this one. So the next product is again a duo from Brute. So this one is the blue one. So I haven't used blue one yet. So ये offer में था इसलिए मुझे लेना पड़ा, 2 को 400 something like that. So let's see. As I love light smell only, so I don't go for a like hard ones. So I hope that ये hard ना हो. फिर भी check कर लेते हैं. Yeah, this one is also good. You can have a try on this too. And the next product is from Pixi Beauty, which is the vitamin C best of vitamin C combo, which consists of a brightening moisturizer, brightening toner, and brightening leave-on mask. So this one is for 2150, and I just love Pixi Beauty products a lot. I have used Pixi Beauty Glow Tonic and all. I haven't used this one, so I will try this one and I will let you know later. And the next product is also from Pixi Beauty, which is the Glitter Eye Quad, which is the eyeshadow palette. And I really wanted some makeup products from Pixi, so this is my first one, and this will cost you around 1500. So you can have this one also. It is very much pigmented. I must show you the swatches. You can see the swatch. This is highly pigmented, guys, and I really love Pixi products a lot. You can see how much pigmented it is, so you can go for this one without thinking twice. The next product is from Swissy Skincare, which is the hyaluronic acid, which helps in hydrating your skin, and it will give you a natural glow to your skin. So this bottle will cost you around 1699, which is a little bit expensive, but yeah, this brand never disappoints anyone, like never disappointed me at least. So you can have a try on this. So thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel, do like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care. Bye bye.